Raise your right hand and place your left hand on the Bible. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
May it please the court, your honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Before you is Mr. Curtis Fulton, here on case number 2024 GS450082. Your honor, he was charged and indicted for possession of psychedelic mushrooms. Your honor, he is represented by Attorney Charles David Barr of the Williamsburg County Bar. He is here to plead guilty this morning to that charge. The state's recommendation in this matter is a fine of $100 plus any applicable court costs.
Okay. Mr. Barr, you represent Curtis Fulton.
Yes, sir.
Explain to him the nature of this charge, possible penalty, and its constitutional.
I have.
Mr. Fulton, today are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol, sir?
No, sir.
Ever have any treatment for any mental health problems?
No, sir.
You understand that this offense carries a maximum penalty of up to 6 months,
Yes, sir.
and that this conviction would enhance any charges that you might get in the future for any drug other than marijuana.
Yes, sir.
When you plead guilty, you give up your right to remain silent and your right to a jury trial. And in a jury trial, the state would have the burden of proving you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt to all 12 jurors. In a jury trial, you can question the state's witnesses against you, call witnesses to testify for you, and you could present a defense. But when you plead guilty, you give up all of those jury trial rights, you waive your defenses, and there will not be a trial. You understand all of that?
Yes, sir.
The indictment states that you here in Williamsburg County on about February 24th of last year did knowingly and intentionally possess a quantity of psilocybin mushrooms, which is Schedule I controlled substance in violation of Section 4453-370 of the South Carolina Code of Laws. How do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Satisfied with the services of Mr. Barr?
Yes, sir.
And you plead guilty because you are in fact guilty.
Yes, sir.
You have 10 days from today's date to appeal the plea or the sentence. If you want to appeal, the appeal would have to be filed in writing with this court. The state's going to give you the facts, and I'll come back to you.
And your honor, back on February 24th of 2024, Trooper Dora with the South Carolina Highway Patrol responded to McAllister Road near Thurgood Marshall in the Williamsburg County area in reference to a single vehicle collision versus a ditch. They made contact with the driver, Mr. Curtis Fulton. He was visibly highly intoxicated. He wasn't steady on his feet. He had a strong odor of alcohol coming from his person. His speech was slurred, and he also told the trooper that he was driving and he swerved in order to miss a deer. The trooper had him to perform several field sobriety tests, which he then failed. He was placed under arrest for driving under influence. He was read his Miranda rights. And during the search incident to arrest, they located in his front left pants pocket about 11.9 grams of suspected psychedelic mushrooms. Those narcotics were in a black Ziploc bag that also contained a clear Ziploc bag inside, your honor. And in regards to his criminal history, he does not have any.
Mr. Fulton, those facts that she recited, are they substantially correct?
Yes, sir.
I find those substantial facts are based for the plea. Find the defendant's decision to plead guilty is freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made. He's had the advice and counsel and attorney will be satisfied. I will accept the plea. Mr. Barr.
Judge, Mr. Fulton he's 46 years old. He is a brick mason by trade. He's an excellent brick mason. He got into this thing kind of on the weekends. He takes some alcohol, and he allowed some of the guys that work with him, some of the younger fellas, to introduce him to something that he quite frankly couldn't handle, and that's how he wound up crashing his automobile. Quite frankly, I think he's bad luck. He went with me fishing this weekend, and I went to the lake and didn't catch anything. I came back, went to Black River, didn't get a bite. He's a bad luck man. Anyhow, I won't take him fishing again. But Judge, he's learned a lesson, and I think he'll behave himself from now on.
If he's reached 46 years of age and this is his first significant criminal involvement, he's probably a pretty good fellow. Yeah, you're a little bit younger than I am. You're too old to be messing with that kind of stuff.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to say, Mr. Fulton?
No, sir.
All right, I'll file a recommendation. Sentence is 90 days as suspended. He's on the payment of the $100 fine, and I'll give him 90 days to pay the fine.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck to you, sir.